Okay, so I'm recording this on my iPhone, which is not what I normally do. I normally record on our vlogging camera, but I don't know where I put the memory card for it. So we are doing an iPhone video today, but I wanted to do just a classic regular flip through of this week's $2 Tuesday collection, since I feel like I haven't done one of these videos in a long time and there's a lot that I want to share with you. So today is $2 Tuesday and we have actually two collections available this week. We have our Christmas collection, which we released during Small Business Saturday, but I wanted to bring it back one last time before Christmas is here. We will be shipping these out pretty quick. I'm having my mom help me fill the $2 Tuesday orders that come in this week while I do the Black Friday orders. So if you're wondering if these will get to you in time, they should. I'm hoping to ship these all out before end of the week. So if you place an order for these, you should get them in time to use for your Christmas spreads. We also have our winter journaling kits. These are available this week for $2 as well. I want to do a quick flip through. Let's do the foil first and then I'll do the journaling kits. For the foil, we have 3 foil colors this week. We have our classic gold. We also have this shattered green color, really pretty, and then we have like this swirly red, so a little bit different from your regular green and red foils, which I thought would be fun to do. So let's just go ahead and start with these larger sheets. So we have these Christmas quotes. I love the Santa Squad one. I think it's so cute. And then we have another set of quotes. This one is less Christmas themed, so we just have some holiday quotes. Super cute. I love this joy one. And then we have this little Christmas town full box overlays, which also is super cute. Then moving on to the smaller sheets, we have these Christmas light dividers. Then we have ornament cluster deco. Really pretty. I love how detailed these ornaments are. Then we have some Christmas tree date dots. You can really see the foil on this one. Then we have Santa hat date dots. I think this would be cute in the red foil color. Then we have these wreath bow dividers. Super cute. Then we have some kawaii holiday dividers. Next, we have some Christmas tree deco. I love how there are different types of Christmas trees. Really cute. And then we have some North Pole signs. Ooh, this one is so cute. Christmas stamps. These would be so cute with some of our journaling kits. Then we also have date dots, regular date dots. Next, we have Santa sleigh. Then we have some of your traditional Christmas deco. We have some holiday wreaths. This would be cute in the green foil. Then we have these ornament deco. These are the same ornaments from the sheet. They are just individual decos. And then these are the clusters. Then we have some hanging stockings. Super cute. These would be cute to use under some days of the week stickers, like Monday through Sunday. Super cute layered, I think. And then we have some of these present date dots. Then we have some bow dividers, and here's a better look at the red foil. It's kind of like swirly, kind of reminds me of like candy canes almost. And then we have some string lights. So that is our Christmas collection. if you're eyeing any of these, definitely go and grab them for your Christmas spreads. And then moving on to our winter journaling kits. So each kit comes with 2 pages. Each page is $2. So we have Frost, really cute. And then I love the black quote stickers. So this one says frosty noses, warm hugs. Really cute and pretty. And we have these available in our Luxe Premium Matte or in this transparent matte sticker paper. And then with the Christmas foils, we have it here in matte clear, but we also have clear glossy. So lots of options to choose from. Next we have Bright, which this would be really pretty for Christmas. We have a couple of different Christmas themed journaling kits. This one says Bright and Merry. Next we have Cranberry. So this one says Cranberry Red. Super pretty. I love the faux wax seals for these. Then we have Merry. This one's a little bit of a more colorful journaling kit. Love the faux stamp. Next we have Mrs. Claus. Really pretty. This would honestly be really cute for Valentine's Day. And then we have Mulled Wine. Love the oranges in this one. Next we have Pine Cone. This is a cute journaling kit for like January or February. Really cute. I love the faux Polaroid. This is actually a cutout frame like that, so you could put other stickers, layer other stickers, or even like put an actual photo. Like super cute. Lots of different ways to use these. Then we have Poinsettia, another cute one for Christmas. Next we have Winter Woods. Cute. Really love the purples in this one. Then we have Warm Wishes. Love the neutrals. And then lastly we have Winter Mood. So those are all, I believe 12 journaling kits that we have. And we also have matching washies available in the shop for these if you wanted to grab those as well. But yeah, that is the journaling kits that we have for this week. Super great deal for these journaling kits. They're $2 a sheet. I believe normally they are $9.90, so really good deal if you want to grab these. I highly recommend that you do so during this week. Our $2 Tuesday runs until end of Thursday, so definitely don't sleep on these. Same with the Christmas foils. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this classic little flip through video, and I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. Bye!